Hello everyone, welcome to Akriti, Art of Mathematics, Simple Mathematics classes. I am Sudhir MK. In this class, I am explaining differentiation of composite functions in one step. Now, what is composite function? If any function is of the form y equal to f of g of x, that is in place of x, we have some other function, then it is called as composite function. To find dy by dx of y equal to f of g of x, we have to write dy by dx equal to f dash g of x. Again, you have to differentiate the function g of x, that is g dash x. So therefore, dy by dx is f dash g of x into g dash x. We discuss some problems. First one, y equal to 2x plus 1 whole cube. Now this is of the form x cube. Now x cube differentiation is 3x square, but it is not x. In place of x we have 2x plus 1. So you write first dy by dx equal to 3 into 2x plus 1 whole square. X cube differentiation is 3x square, but it is not x. In place of x we have 2x plus 1. So differentiate 2x plus 1 again. 2x plus 1 differentiation is 2. So you write into 2. So you have to differentiate 2x plus 1. Differentiation of 2x plus 1 is 2. So next you have to multiply these two. 3 into 2 is 6. It is 6 into 2x plus 1 whole square. So next problem. Y equal to sine of ax plus b. Now y equal to sine of ax plus b. It is of the form sine x. Now here it is not x. We have to use sine x formula. Sine x differentiation is cos x. So sine of ax plus b differentiation is cos of ax plus b. So sine of ax plus b is cos of ax plus b, but it is not x here. In place of x we have ax plus b. So differentiate ax plus b again. So that is a is constant, x differentiation is 1 and b is constant 0. So here constant into function, you have to differentiate only x. We get a into differentiation of x is 1, that is a into 1 is a. So here it is a. Therefore, differentiation of sine of ax plus b is cos of ax plus b into a. And we can write it as a into cos of ax plus b. So next problem, y equal to cos of sine x. Now this is of the form cos x, and cos x differentiation is minus sine x. But in place of x we have sine x. So when we differentiate, you write minus sine of sine x. Again, you have to differentiate sine x here. So it is not x. In place of x we have sine x. Again, you have to differentiate sine x. Sine x differentiation is cos x. So it is minus sine of sine x into cos x. So next one, y equal to sine of x square plus 5. Now y equal to sine of x square plus 5. It is of the form sine x. And sine x differentiation is cos x, but it is not x. So this number x square plus 5, you have to differentiate again. So dy by dx is cos of x square plus 5, and x square plus 5 differentiation is 2x. X square differentiation is 2x and 5 is constant 0. So we can write it as 2x into cos of x square plus 5. So next one, y equal to tan of 2x plus 3. Now this is of the form tan x, and tan x differentiation is secant square x, but it is not x. In place of x we have 2x plus 3. Again, you have to differentiate 2x plus 3, and 2x plus 3 differentiation is 2. So therefore it is secant square 2x plus 3. That is tan x differentiation is secant square x, but here it is not x. 2x plus 3. Again 2x plus 3 differentiation is 2. So it is 2 into secant square 2x plus 3. So next problem, y equal to sine of x square. Now here square is for only x. So therefore it is y equal to sine of x square. You have to consider this as sine x. So dy by dx is sine x differentiation is cos, but in place of x you have to write x square. Again you have to differentiate x square. X square differentiation is 2x. So therefore it is cos x square, but it is not x. In place of x we have x square. X square differentiation is 2x. So therefore it is 2x into cos x square. The next one, y equal to cos root x. Now here it is of the form cos. Cos x differentiation is minus sine x, but in place of x you have to write root x. So therefore dy by dx is minus sine root x. But again you have to differentiate root x. In place of x we have root x. So differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So it is cos differentiation is minus sine, but it is not x. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Now we can simplify this. We can write it as minus sine root x by 2 root x. So Next one, y equal to cos x cube. Again here x cube. It is of the form cos. Cos differentiation is minus sign. So dy by dx is minus sign x cube. So in place of x we have x cube, and x cube differentiation is 3x square. X cube differentiation is 3x square. So we can write this as minus of 3x square into sine x cube. So next one, y equal to e to the power minus x. Now it is of the form e power x. E power x differentiation is e power x only, but it is not x. Again you have to differentiate minus x. That is dy by dx equal to e to the power minus x, but it is not x. In place of x we have minus x, and minus x differentiation is minus 1. So therefore it is minus e to the power minus x, but e power minus x can be written as 1 by e power x. So we can write minus of e to the power minus x equal to minus 1 by e power x. Next one, y equal to sine of log x. Now it is of the form sin x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. So dy by dx is cos of log x. So dy by dx is cos of log x. Again you have to differentiate log x. So here it is not x. In place of x we have log x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. So it is cos of log x into 1 by x, and we can write it as cos log x whole divided by x. So next one, y equal to cos inverse e power x. So y equal to cos inverse e power x. It is of the form cos inverse x, and cos inverse x differentiation is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. It is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, but in place of x we have to write e power x whole square. E power x whole square is same as e power 2x. So again you have to differentiate e power x. So again it is d by dx of e power x. It is e power x only. So therefore we can write this as minus e power x divided by root of 1 minus e power 2x. The next one, y equal to e to the power cos x. Now again this is of the form e to the power x. Differentiation of e power x is e power x only. So dy by dx is e to the power cos x only, but it is not x. In place of x we have cos x. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So we can write this as minus sin x into e to the power cos x. So it is minus sin x into e to the power cos x. So next one, y equal to e to the power sin inverse x. So y equal to e to the power sin inverse x. It is of the form e power x. And e power x differentiation is e power x only. So we have tried dy by dx is e power sin inverse x only, but again it is not x. In place of x we have sin inverse x. So it is e power sin inverse x. Again you have to differentiate sin inverse x. It is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So sin inverse x differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So answer is e to the power sin inverse x whole divided by root of 1 minus x square. So next one, y equal to e to the power x cube. Y equal to e to the power x cube. It is of the form e power x. So e power x differentiation is e power x only. So dy by dx is e power x cube only. But in place of x we have x cube. Again you have to differentiate x cube. X cube differentiation is 3x square. So therefore it is 3x square into e power x cube. If y equal to e power x cube, then dy by dx is 3x square into e to the power x cube. So next one, y equal to sine of cos x square. Now first you have to consider this as sin x. So sin x differentiation is cos x, but in place of x you have to write cos of x square. So therefore it is dy by dx is cos of cos x square, but it is not x. In place of x we have cos. It is cos x square differentiation is minus sin x square. Again here it is not x. Again here we have to write minus sin x square. Again we have to differentiate x square. So it is sin differentiation is cos of cos x square. Again cos x square is minus sin x square. Again you have to differentiate x square. X square differentiation is 2x. We can simplify this. That is minus 2x cos of cos x square into sin x square. So next problem, y equal to secant of tan root x. Now it is of the form secant x. Differentiation of secant x is secant x tan x, but in place of x you have to write tan root x. So dy by dx is secant of tan root x. Again tan of tan root x. That is secant x differentiation is secant x into tan x. Now Again you have to differentiate tan root x. So differentiation of tan is secant square. But it is not x. Again you have to differentiate root x. Now first you write differentiation of tan root x is secant square root x. Again here it is not x, root x, and root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. That is secant of tan root x differentiation is secant of tan root x, tan of tan root x into secant square root x into 1 by 2 root x. The next question, y equal to 2 into root of cot x square. So y equal to 2 into root of cot x square. Now here first you have to take this as root x. So it is root x, and root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. So you have to write dy by dx is 2 as it is. Root of cot x square differentiation is 1 by 2 into root of cot x square. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Now again you have to differentiate cot x square. It is not x. In place of x we have cot x square, and cot differentiation is minus cosecant square x square. It is minus cosecant square x square. That is cot x differentiation is minus cosecant x, but here again it is not x. In place of x we have x square. So again differentiate x square differentiation is 2x. Now first we have to consider this as root x. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. But here it is not x. In place of x we have cot x square, and cot differentiation is minus cosecant square x. Again here in place of x we have x square, and x square differentiation is 2x. And here 2 to get cancelled, and we can write this as minus 2x into cosecant square x square divided by root of cot x square. So next one, y equal to sine square x to the power 5. Now here sine square x to the power 5. This is of the form x square. First you have to consider this as x square, not sine. It is of the form x square. X square differentiation is 2x. So therefore dy by dx is 2 into sine x power 5. X square differentiation is 2x. So it is sine square x power 5 differentiation is 2 sine x power 5. Now it is not x. In place of x we have sine x power 5. So sine x power 5 differentiation is of the form sine x. So sine x differentiation is cos x. It is cos of x to the power 5. But again here it is not x. In place of x we have x power 5. So again you have to use chain rule here. So x power 5 differentiation is 5x to the power 4. We can multiply this. 5 2s are 10, sin x to the power 5, cos x to the power 5. Or else here you can use formula. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. We can write it as sin 2 into x to the power 5 into 5x to the power 4. Like that also it is possible. Or here just multiply this. 5 2s are 10 x power 4, sin x power 5 and cos x power 5. Next question, y equal to sine of tan inverse e to the power minus x. Y equal to sine of tan inverse e to the power minus x. It is of the form sin x. So sin x differentiation is cos x. But in place of x you have to write tan inverse e to the power minus x. So therefore it is dy by dx is cos of tan inverse e to the power minus x. Now again you have to differentiate this tan inverse e to the power minus x differentiation. It is of the form tan inverse x. So tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. But in place of x we have to write e to the power minus x. So differentiate e power minus x again. Again it is of the form e power x. E power x differentiation is e power x only. But here it is not x. In place of x we have minus x. Therefore again you have to differentiate minus x. So minus x differentiation is minus 1. So it is minus as it is x differentiation is 1. So therefore when we simplify we get minus cos of tan inverse e to the power minus x divided by 1 plus e power minus x whole square. It is minus 2 into x minus 2x into e power minus x can be written as 1 by e power x. So right, e power x here is minus cos tan inverse e power minus x divided by e power x into 1 plus e to the power minus 2x. The next one, y equal to log of cos e power x. It is of the form log x, and log x differentiation is 1 by x. So therefore dy by dx is 1 by cos e power x. But it is not x. In place of x we have cos e power x. So again you have to differentiate cos e power x, and cos differentiation is minus sine. So here it is minus sine e power x. Again here it is not x. In place of x we have e power x. E power x differentiation is e power x only. So therefore it is minus sin e power x. Again e power x differentiation is e power x. Now here we have sin e power x divided by cos e power x. Sin by cos is tan e power x, and this e power x as it is. So answer is dy by dx is minus tan e power x into e power x, or it is minus e power x into tan e power x. So next question, y equal to log of log x. So y equal to log of log x, it is of the form log x, and log x differentiation is 1 by x, but in place of x we have to write log x. So therefore dy by dx is 1 by log x, that is log x differentiation is 1 by x, but in place of x we have log x. Now differentiate log x again, that is in place of x we have log x, again we have to differentiate log x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. So it is 1 by log x into 1 by x. Answer is 1 by x log x. We can write x here, it is 1 by x log x. Next question, y equal to root of e to the power root x. Y equal to root of e to the power root x, it is of the form root x, but in place of x we have e power root x. So root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. So it is 1 by 2 root. In place of x you have to write e to the power root x. So root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. In place of x we have e power root x, and e power root x is e power x form e power x only, that is e power root x is e power root x only, but in place of x we have root x. So again you have to differentiate root x. So root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. So therefore it is 1 by 2 into root of e power root x into e power root x into 1 by 2 root x. We can simplify this. 2 into 2 is 4, and here we have root of e power root x, and here it is only e power root x. Now this is of the form x by root x. If we divide x by root x, we get root x. So therefore this is root of e power root x divided by 2 into 2, 4 root x, that is x by root x is root x. E power root x divided by root of e power root x is root of e power root x. So answer is root of e power root x divided by 4 into root x. Next one, y equal to e power x plus e power x square plus etc. up to e power x power 5. Now here middle number all you have to write, that is e power x cube and e power x to the power 4. So when we differentiate, we get dy by dx, e power x differentiation is e power x only. Now differentiate this e power x square. E power x square differentiation is e power x square only, but again we have to differentiate x square. In place of x we have x square. So therefore it is e power x square into x square differentiation is 2x. Now same type, next number is e to the power x cube, and e power x cube is e power x cube only, but again you have to differentiate x cube differentiation is 3x square. So then next number is e x to the power 4. E x to the power 4 is e x power 4 only, but in place of x we have x power 4, again you have to differentiate x power 4, that is 4x cube. And last one, e power x power 5. E power x power 5 differentiation is e x power 5 only, but in place of x we have x power 5. X power 5 differentiation is 5x to the power 4. So it is e power x power 5 differentiation is 5x power 4. This is differentiation of given problem. The next one, y equal to cos of log x plus e power x. Y equal to cos of log x plus e power x, it is of the form cos x, and cos x differentiation is minus sin x, but in place of x you have to write log x plus e power x. So therefore dy by dx is minus sin log x plus e power x. It is in place of x you have to write log x plus e power x. You have to differentiate this function. Again log x differentiation is 1 by x, and e power x differentiation is e power x only. Therefore answer is minus sin log x plus e power x into 1 by x plus e power x. The next one, y equal to 1 by root of 2x square minus 4. It is of the form 1 by x first. Consider this as 1 by x, and 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square, but in place of x you have to write this whole root. So dy by dx is minus 1 by root of 2x square plus 4 whole square. Now it is not x. In place of x we have root of 2x square plus 1. We are taking this as 1 by x. we are taking this as 1 by x. In place of x we have root of 2x square plus 1. So again you have to differentiate root, and root to differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. So therefore root of 2x square plus 4 differentiation is 1 by 2 into root of 2x square plus 4. Again you have to differentiate 2x square plus 4. It is not x here, it is 2x square plus 4. So again you have to differentiate 2x square plus 4. So 2x square plus 4 differentiation is 4x plus 0. It is 4x only. So simplify this. Now here 2 1s are 2 2s are, you can cancel this. Here square root cancel, 2x square plus 4 and root of 2x square plus 4. So base is 2x square plus 4. You have to add the powers. So here remaining power is 1 and here half. So we can write this as minus of 2x divided by 2x square plus 4 whole to the power 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2. So it is minus 2x divided by 2x square plus 4 whole to the power 3 by 2. Next problem, y equal to e to the power secant square x. Now it is of the form e power x. E power x differentiation is e power x only. So therefore you have to write dy by dx is e power secant square x. Then it is not x. In place of x we have secant square x. We have differentiate secant square x and it is of the form x square. And x square differentiation is 2x. So secant square x differentiation is 2 secant x. So x square differentiation is 2x. Secant square x differentiation is 2 secant x. Now again it is not x. In place of x we have secant x. Again secant x differentiation is secant x into tan x. So it is secant x into tan x. And we can multiply this. It is 2 into secant x is secant square x into tan x into e power secant square x. So it is 2 secant square x tan x into e to the power secant square x. So that's all in this video. Watch full chapter explanation in my YouTube channel, Akriti Mathematics Classes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more video notification. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Akriti Mathematics Classes. Thank you once again.